Octopuses are fascinating creatures with a history that dates back over 500 million years. These intelligent mollusks have 3 hearts and blue blood, which helps them thrive in deep ocean waters. Did you know they can change color and texture to blend into their surroundings, making them masters of disguise? With around 300 species, they exhibit incredible problem-solving skills and can even escape from aquariums. Their unique ability to regenerate lost limbs adds to their allure. From ancient myths to modern science, octopuses continue to captivate our imagination and challenge our understanding of marine life. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.